Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We can use about the limit and a approach to positive infinity. So we have the integration from negative number 1 to a. So we have the power 2. With this one, we have number 8. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So we know that s to the power of 8 we can put into s to the power of 6 s square, because number 6 and number 2 we have number 8. This one we can put into s to the power of 3 to the power of 2. Similar for this one. Next, we can use about u equals to s to the power of 3. Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides. Because we don't have number 3, so we divide both sides by number 3. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to negative number 1, that is from here. So I will put negative number 1 gone here, and we can find the value of u. So u equals to negative number 1. When s equals to 8, so we put the value of 8 gone here, and we can find the value of u equals to 8 to the power of 3. This one we change by u. This one we change by u. S squared ds we change by du over number 3. Negative number 1 we keep the same. 8 we have 8 to the power of 3. Next, we need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about u equals to tan t, because if I put this one gone here, we have 1 plus tan t square. 1 plus tan t square we change by secant of t square, and later that we simplify by du. So we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have secant of t square dt. Next, we need to change the bounds. When u equals to negative number 1, that is in here. So I will put negative number 1 gone here, and we can find the value of t equals to negative b over 4. When u equals to 8 to the power of 3. So we put this one gone here, and we have t equal to or tan of 8 to the power of 3. So negative number 1 we change by negative b over 4. This one we change by this one. U we change by tan t. and this one in here. The u we change by this one. This one we change by secant of t square. Later that, we simplify secant of t square on numerator and denominator. So, this tan t square we change by sine t squared over cosine t squared. This one we change by 1 over cosine t squared. Now we need to simplify, and we have sine t squared. Next, we have the formula sine t squared equals to 1 minus cosine 2t over number 2. So I will put this one go in here. Number 2 and number 3 we have 1 over 6. This one we have 1 minus cosine 2t. The integration of number 1 we have t. The integration of cosine 2t we have 1 over 2 sine 2t. And we need to put the bounds from negative b over 4 to r tan of a to the power of 3. So I will put this one cone here and negative b over 4 cone here. So number 2 and negative b over 4. We have negative b over 2. Now, when a approaches to positive infinity, r tan of positive infinity, we have b over 2. Similar for this one. Now, we need to calculate. So, this one we have side b, and that is about 0. This one, we have negative number 1. So, we have 1 over 6 multiplied by b over 2 and negative 1 over 6 multiplied by negative b over 4. And this one we have b over 8. Next, this one you got 0. Negative 1 over 6 multiplied by negative 1 over 2 with negative number 1. So we have negative 1 over 12. This is the end. Thank you for watching.